Oh my God. I wiped my hand on this big jagged piece. Alrighty guys, well before today's video starts, I want to thank you for so much support in the last video. We've been crushing it ever since we started, honestly. Every single day, every single video I drop, we just keep getting bigger and bigger, and it's awesome. Today's video is a fun one. Man, this snow really kills us out here in New Jersey, but hey, that's just what it's like being an automotive YouTuber out here in these cold climates. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed. We're on the road to 100K. Enjoy the video, grab some popcorn, sit back and relax. Let's go.
Well, boys, I hope my cars are okay.
Well, let's just say RIP, you're done. Well, it snowed quite a bit last night. I've been spending my whole entire morning cleaning off the front steps, the walkway, the backyard, the freaking back deck. It's been hectic over here. We got 2 feet of snow. The Mark 6, the TT are completely covered. And it's gonna be a little bit of a trip to dig them out, but hey, that's just life. That's where I live. I wish I lived in Florida. So if anyone's got a house for me, let me know. There's about 3.5 feet of snow between the 2 doors. If you guys missed the last video, I actually installed a new grill on that. Showed you how to tilt the Volkswagen emblem. Right now we're dealing with about 2 feet of snow drifts on top of the cars and about 1.5 feet of straight solid nightmares. The goal is to get these cars out as quick as possible within 24 hours of the initial snowfall, because this will turn to solid ice, and getting all this out of the center of these cars will be an absolute nightmare. That's about 3 feet tall. I have my snow blower. We're gonna completely trim these things out, clean the tops of them off. So let's get to it. This is gonna be messy, but hey, I'm gonna have fun. Hope you guys are gonna have fun as well. Throw today's video a like and subscribe if you're not subscribed. We're on the road to 100K. The Mark 6 is currently stuck, and there's only one reason for that. Yeah, I'm not too proud of that, guys. Tires are completely bald, but I'm gonna have to go ahead and dig out the front end, and then this thing should pop right out. Perfect. What's the chances that right as I get the car out, somebody calls me and I stop filming? But I got that piece of wood on the horizontal, so the tire couldn't like skip across it or shoot it underneath anymore. And she came right out like straight as dime. But oh my God, that was a freaking headache. I'm so happy that we finally got the TT uncovered. The battery is dead because the alternator belt hopped off yesterday when I was making a TikTok, I found out. So I'm gonna go ahead, plug the battery in, and we're gonna start this thing. Hopefully get some flames going, but I do wanna get this out of here to get the driveway cleared off. The last thing you want is ice being formed underneath this car. Go to move it in a week, it's just not gonna move, and it's gonna be an absolute nightmare. I went ahead and I stuffed this rag around the hood exit hole because the last thing I wanted was snow getting in any tricky spots, but I literally use this thing on a daily basis now. Ugh. So I was running the car yesterday and it started to break up, and I thought it was an ignition issue because of the wiring harness, but it turns out it actually chucked the belt. You guys can clearly see it chucked it right there. So I'm gonna have to hook the jump pack up to it. The hood started to close. I went up there to go stop the snow from weighing it down. I wipe my hand on this big jagged piece, and well, the hand has a little bit of a gash in it. Got her started. She hesitated a little bit, but we got her running. Since I cut my hand last night, didn't want to mess up. Just go ahead and clean off these refs. Gotta clean off that whole edge, you know. Don't break the valve stem, Alex. Don't break the valve stem. Since it's covered in snow and it literally turned to ice like I did not want it to, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the car up and park it in the sun like I have the Mark 6. All the snow's been melting off, you can see right there. But let's go ahead and push this thing into the sun. Alrighty, we are out of that little hole. Now we got to get it off of this charger and over there quick. I'm gonna try to get it further down the driveway, further than the Mark 6, but man, it was in this hole. But this was a complete nightmare getting out of this little pocket right here. Got my little oil catch and this piece of wood. If it wasn't for this piece of wood, big old burnouts and bald tires. But hey, we're getting it done. It's cold. I got the Mark 6 all thawed out. All the icicles have been falling out. This whole piece right here was open like this, and it was completely packed with ice. Legitimate ice. Link will be in the description to this new honeycomb grill that I got. I'm loving this thing. I got it from Amazon, so you could just use my link, and I'll get about 10 cents from you purchasing it. But the good old Mark 6. You can't go wrong with this thing, honestly. Oh my God. I almost hit the trash can that's holding up my phone holder. My God, this thing is thrashed. Every time I look at it, it looks worse and worse. Got the burnout marks right here. I'll clean that in the spring. All right, we gotta be quick. Don't touch, don't touch. Oh, they're touching. Oh, they're touching. Look at all the smoke coming up from underneath the Mark 6. I've got no exhaust pipe underneath that thing. The DPF is so clogged, I took out everything. Just ordered a new hood. We're about to be sending it. Oh, 7.6. I gotta move this thing before it dies. It's literally about to die. Oh, it's dying. It's dying. Hear that? It doesn't even want to run. It doesn't even want to run, but you can just see a second again in the sun, everything's just falling off this thing. I got the TT all plugged in. It's been de-thawing for about 10 minutes. I just went ahead and I cleaned up that whole entire section back there, so got all the ice cleared up and stuff, which is looking nice. Now all this snow is literally just practically falling off the car. You can see all the water's beating and stuff, so now it's all thawing out. Let's get to clean this thing off. All right, well, this is looking a lot better. The car is looking awesome. We got it all cleaned off. This will all just melt if I leave it in the sun for another 10, 20 minutes. It's like baked on ice in most of these spots. So I'm not gonna go too hard into it, but as you guys can see, it's super hard being a YouTuber in a really snowy climate when it's cold. Right now, we're doing our best, but as you guys can see, it's no Florida. It's not California, but we're working with it. And this is just how it is as an automotive YouTuber in a cold area. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm gonna go ahead and back this thing back up, wrap up all the cords. If you're not subscribed, make sure you smash the subscribe button. Remember, your vehicle is unique to you, and just have fun. That's why we do this. So I'm gonna wrap this car up. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one, and smash the subscribe button. Peace, guys. A little bit of bonus footage. Since it wasn't running without the jump pack on, I had to drive it all the way to the driveway with the jump pack hooked up. A little sketchy, but she got up here. She didn't want to, but if you made it this far into the video, make sure you throw the video a thumbs up and you subscribe. This video wasn't totally action-packed, but man, some days you cannot get away with just making a simple video. got to get down and dirty, clean your cars off, and get to business. So in the next video, we'll be working on these cars. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.